Updating your payment information on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the Spotify app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Go to your subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled your plan or subscription. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Update payment information. Find the option to update your payment information. Enter your new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on Spotify. Make sure to check your account periodically to avoid any disruptions in service.